In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to parkour in Jujutsu Shenanigans on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to perform wall runs and wall jumps in your Xbox on Jujutsu Shenanigans. This is what it looks like visually, and you will be able to jump between buildings, you can gain height, you can gain distance, and it is overall a very fun thing to do. So first, to set this up, you should go into the in-game settings, so press select on your controller and highlight this little in-game settings icon. Now, the second option here is going to be auto run. If this is disabled, you need to make sure that you enable it. As the name suggests, this is going to make it so every time that you start running in Jujutsu Shenanigans, you will run automatically, so you don't have to worry about walking, because if you are walking, you will not be able to parkour. With this done, just run towards a wall and make sure that you are holding the jump button. I also recommend enabling shift lock because this is really gonna help with the positioning necessary. So just hold the jump button and run towards a wall. If you get a specific angle, you will be able to jump off of the wall. Usually, if you are grabbing the wall from the left side, you have to move your joystick to the left, and if you are grabbing the wall from your right side, you have to move your joystick to the right as you are jumping into the wall. So it should look something like this. And as you saw, you will be able to jump away from the wall. Now, you can also wall climb, but this is difficult. You need a very specific angle, and if you are able to get this angle, this is what you will pull off. As you can see, I was able to repeatedly jump on the wall, on the wall, on the wall, and then I just gained a lot of height in no time. But this requires this very strict angle, roughly like this, and as long as you run towards the wall in a straight line and then you move your joystick towards the wall, you will be able to wall jump or wall run as well. So this is all you have to do. Make sure that you sprint towards the wall, that you keep holding the jump button, and that you get the specific angle while moving your joystick towards the side of the wall that you are jumping to. I hope I was able to help you on how to parkour in Jujutsu Shenanigans Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.